it. Did we sleep through the test? No, but school starts in 30 minutes.
How's everybody feeling about our test?
Even after our all-night study session, I still don't know the difference between vaporization and sublimation.
Reckon this test is gonna be an abomination.
I can't believe we all fell asleep halfway through our first all-nighter.
Not all of us. While you chumps were studying all night, guess who was coming up with a plan?
You call that a plan?
Come on! Do I have to spell it out for you? It's snowing. Snow day means no school. No school means no test.
It's hardly snowing, Rainbow Dash.
Come on, guys! You are seriously lacking vision!
I've got 20/20 vision, and I can clearly see it's not snowing enough for school to be canceled.
Too bad it's not a snow day. It's not a snow day yet. If we can save a sinking cruise ship and break the laws of time and space to see a concert, I'm pretty sure we can convince Principal Celestia to call a snow day. There's a lot of innocent kids out there who probably didn't study, and they're depending on us. So, what do you say? Who's with me?
I don't know.
Huh? Huh?
I guess.
Yeah! Can't believe I almost slept through a montage!
It remembers.
I gotta admit, we really did pull together as a team.
A blizzard? Quite an unforeseen development, I'd say. Indeed.
Shall we cancel school? She's making the call!
Don't bother with the snow day. It's phony baloney. Hope those girls enjoyed the tension after their test.
What are they doing? You guys, I'm trying to see.
How are we supposed to know how snow fits into the water cycle? Pinky, what have we been doing for the past 2 hours?
All part of the plan. What better way to study than a hands-on project?
Oh, I get it. This test relates to our snow day, which means potatoes get mashed, then evaporate into potato moisture where they converge into potato clouds. And when those clouds can't hold the weight, that's where the potato flakes come from. Or is it potato chips?